So today is the 80th anniversary of the liberation of Vietnam from the French. And they weren't all bad. They did leave behind French pastries and croissants, so like, got to give them that. They also did leave behind some churches, Exhibit A. Anyway, there are two events. The first was the military parade. I saw the dress rehearsal for the military parade, which was very exciting. And the second tonight is a fireworks display. And so I have walked for about an hour into town to see the fireworks display. I've got, I think, 3 hours before the fireworks kick off, and so I've got to go and find somewhere nice to go and see it by a nice lake. How's it going? I saw the fireworks display. There were actually so many fireworks that produced so much smoke that at times it was hard to see the fireworks because of the smoke. Not that I'm being critical, but that was fun. So we waited for a couple of hours. Some nice person lent me a plastic chair. People are very generous. So that was good.